The question we are solving now belongs to test series 3. It is of digital electronics subject. In specific, it belongs to minimization of statement of products. As per the question, there is a 4-variable function given as f of w, x, y, z. The 4-variable expression is represented by the truth table, which is as shown. The truth table corresponds to 4 variables wx, y and z. Wx are represented here and yz are represented here. As per the table given, the entries are 1, 1, 1, 1 in the following these positions, and there are 2 ones at the right hand side corners. We need to find the minimal SOP expression representing this table. So from the given table, we see that for obtaining the minimal SOP expression, we need to group the ones. But before doing that, we can represent the values corresponding to each row and column as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. That is, this corresponds to w bar x bar, this corresponds to w bar x, 1, 1 corresponds to wx and 1, 0 corresponds to wx bar. Similarly, upon labeling the rows, we get the values as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. 0, 0 corresponds to y bar z bar, 0, 1 corresponds to y bar z, 1, 1 corresponds to yz and 1, 0 corresponds to yz bar. Here we need to group the ones in this table. So upon seeing the table, we can say that we can group the ones in the first column, and in the similar way we can group the ones at the corners as shown. So upon grouping the ones in the first column, we see that the ones in the first column correspond to the variable w bar x bar, because y bar z bar yz term has all the values, because of which the first column can be represented as w bar x bar. Similarly, the corners correspond to the term x bar z bar. This is because of the reason that the corners have the values as w bar x bar y bar z bar and w x bar y bar z bar and w bar x bar yz bar and w x bar yz bar. So from this we can see that in the table given, the only common terms in all these 4 are x bar z bar, hence the corners can be represented as x bar z bar. From this, the minimal SOP expression of f of w, x, y, z can be written as w bar x bar, which corresponds to the first column, and plus x bar z bar, which correspond to the corners. From this, we can say that the correct option representing the minimal SOP expression is B. Hence, the correct answer is B.